channel. It is Mary here from Layers of Chic, and today we are talking about 7 ways to style neon. So neon has been a huge color trend in the past year, and I finally managed to get myself a neon top. So today I'm going to show you guys 7 different outfits that you can do to incorporate this neon top into your wardrobe. And all of the tips I share today can also apply to different neon items that you have, whether it's a neon cardigan, a neon skirt, a neon dress. So the outfits I provide today are just examples for you guys to use. So even if you don't have a neon top, the tips I provide today can also apply to other neon pieces as well. So the top I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is this super neon sweater, and I would say this is kind of like a lime green neon slash yellow, depending on like how you're looking at it and under what lighting you're looking at it, but it's definitely super in your face neon. This sweater is from H&M, and I chose this because I thought it would be a really good piece for this current summer to fall transitional period. I feel like this sweater is perfectly lightweight and is perfect for this season, and you would get a lot of wear out of it. It is under $15, as I mentioned, from H&M, and I also like it because it has this really cool slit here. So it's a little bit edgier than my usual style, but to be honest, neon itself is edgier than my usual style, so I figured why not go all out and go with this really fun sweater. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the first neon outfit, and for this outfit, one of the best ways to pair neon is to pair it with primary colors, which include red, blue, and yellow. So for this outfit, I decided to go with this red skirt that's also actually from H&M, and I just love how easy breezy it is. I really love like the satin material, and this entire outfit is actually under $60, which is amazing. And I just love these two colors together because they're super sharp together, and they just really stand out. And I think pairing a bold color with a bold color is always like a great way to go if you want to stand out. So I actually did wear this outfit for New York Fashion Week Day 1, and I felt really comfortable in it while also being really colorful and bold. So for my styling, I decided to kind of keep it like easy breezy, since this is like a very like cool girl outfit. I went with these Reebok sneakers. They're actually men's Reebok, believe it or not, even though I'm so feminine. These are men's Reebok sneakers, and I absolutely love them. I feel like they go with everything. I've worn them with dresses, skirts, and also jeans. And then for my handbag, I did want to add like a pop of print slash pattern, since my whole outfit does not have print. So I went with this cute little color block bag from Dolls Kill. And the other reason I chose this bag is because it does have this neon part here that kind of matches the top. So another styling tip for you guys is, if you're having trouble styling neon, find a bag or a pair of shoes or an accessory that also has that neon color to kind of bring the whole look together. So this is the second outfit with this neon sweater, and for this one I did it kind of super casual. So one of my other favorite ways to pair neon is to just pair it with denim. You can't go wrong with denim because denim basically goes with everything, right? So for this one, I decided to do this neon top with high-waisted jeans. And I chose high-waisted jeans because this top is a little bit on the short side, so it kind of crops like right around here. So I like it with high-waisted jeans because I can tuck it into the jeans, and also because this top is a little bit on the tighter side, so with jeans it almost kind of looks like a bodysuit, which I really like that look of the bodysuit with high-waisted jeans. And for this look, I chose these really fun jeans with this like super fun fringe detail because I do feel like the top is also super edgy, and I feel like the jeans also just go really well with the edginess of the top, and it also kind of adds like a little bit of more movement to this outfit. For my shoes, I went with these heeled open, not open toe, these open heeled booties. Yes, that's what they're called, guys. Open heeled booties. And they have this really cool tortoise heel. There's a lot of heel in this sentence, obviously. But I actually think these are really great for the transitional period because they're like fall on the front, but then they're kind of still summery on the back. You see? Yeah, so I feel like they're really fun, and they're also really comfortable. They're from Bionic, one of my favorite brands for comfortable yet stylish boots and heels. Also wanted to add a little bit of height because these jeans do kind of hit at like that kind of awkward length because I'm on the shorter side, so I did want to add a heel to lengthen my legs. And then keeping with the cool vibe of this outfit, I went with my white fanny pack. And that is this look. this is the third outfit on, and for this outfit, I wanted to try and incorporate this top into more of like a back to school / collegiate vibe look. So I chose this super chunky fuchsia knit cardigan, also from H&M, and it's just super warm, and I really love the buttons here. These tortoise buttons are really cute, and I do like these two colors together because they're both like very sharp colors, but this color is obviously a little bit more like on the feminine side, and it's obviously softer than a primary color, so I thought it would pair really well with this super neon top. And then for my skirt, I wanted to add something that was printed, but I didn't want to add another color into the outfit because this is like already a lot. So I chose this muted black skirt that has like more of an abstract print. And then for my shoes, since this is a mini skirt, I decided to go with my new boots from Stuart Weitzman that I found at Saks off Fifth for like $150, even though they're originally $800. So I chose these white boots to go with the mini skirt, and I am loving these boots. They kind of have like a go-go girl vibe. But I just like, I don't know, I just think they're really fun, and I feel like they'll pair really well with like a mod retro dress or a mini skirt. And then for my bag, I also went with a white handbag to match the white boots, and again, keep the outfit to not too many crazy colors. So this is the fourth outfit on, and for this one I wanted to create more of a business / office look. So if you work in more of a creative office environment, I feel like this is something that you could wear to work. I want to show you guys how you can incorporate neon into your work outfits as well, and it's not just for like the weekend. So for this look, I went with this brown faux leather skirt. This skirt is also from H&M. H&M is getting a lot of love in this video, unintentionally. So I think another great color option to pair with neon is brown, because once again, brown is a very neutral color. Brown, black, gray, I think are all great options to do with neon. So for this one, I went with this skirt from H&M that has these really cute tortoise buttons. It just immediately gives this outfit a more pulled together and business vibe. I think also because of the high-waisted fit of the skirt as well as the color, and then also the length, because it is a very long length, so it's very appropriate for work. And then to give it an even more business vibe, I went with this gray plaid blazers. All of this together, I think it looks really put together. I especially love this blazer because it is more of an oversized fit, more of a boyfriend fit, which I think goes really well with kind of a slimmer silhouette on the bottom. And then for my shoes, I went with these heeled ankle booties, these patchwork booties. I chose these just to give the outfit a little bit more of a pop of print and a trendy vibe. And I also do like how the patchwork kind of goes with the plaid / houndstooth of the blazer. Then I just chose this kind of crocodile skin leather bag. That's one of my go-tos for more of a business / professional look. So this is the fifth outfit, and for this look, once again, I am pairing the neon with a primary color. So this time I decided to do blue, and I wanted to show you guys how this sweater could work as a layering piece as well, because it is on the tighter side, so it actually works really well layered under something. This dress is also on the tighter side. It's definitely like a fitted sweater dress, but it actually works over the neon sweater because the neon sweater is also very tight. So the sweater almost kind of acts as like a bodysuit under layer to the dress. This dress is from Jeremy Scott, and it's very bold and colorful and edgy, so I feel like adding this pop of neon on the bottom actually adds to the outfit, and it also makes it more appropriate for fall and for cooler weather. That's one of the things about sweater dresses that I never understand, especially like sleeveless sweater dresses, is like, what season are you supposed to wear this dress? Because it's a sweater material, but it's sleeveless. I cannot wear this during the summer, it would be too hot. And then for my boots, I kept it simple since I do have a lot going on here. I went with black boots, but I did pair these cute blue socks that match the dress, just to give it a little bit of like a poppy vibe, which is also very Jeremy Scott. And then I just went with this cute brown circle bag to complete the outfit. So this is the sixth outfit on, and for this look I wanted to show you guys more of like a dressier outfit. So this is the kind of outfit that I think could go from desk to dinner, and I also even think this outfit could be worn to like a dinner party or just like more of like a fancier occasion, because this is a black velvet suit, which in itself is more of a dressier look. Like last year I wore this to a holiday party and it worked out really well. So I'm actually really loving the way that this looks. I think the neon just really pops against this all velvet look, and I think it looks very like sophisticated, like super chic. Kind of feels like something that maybe like a model would wear for some reason. Like I think it's like very elevated. And then for my handbag, I chose this kind of graphic print handbag just to add more of a visual element to this outfit. And then I also chose this bag because it does have like these green and yellows that I feel like actually do tie really nicely with the top. And then wanted to also show you guys what it looks like without the blazer. So yeah, I think without the blazer, it's definitely kind of more of like a nighttime look. So yeah, you could wear the blazer to work during the day and then take it off for dinner. I feel like this outfit would be really great for like the meatpacking district at night, like dinner and drinks. And if you guys are not from New York, the meatpacking is like where all the cool kids go, basically, like where all the models go to hang out. So yeah. So this is the last outfit on, and this is another more of a dressier outfit. And for this one, I would say this is definitely more of like my traditional outfit in the sense that I have this fit and flare skirt, which I absolutely love fit and flare skirts, and I used to wear them a lot more than I do now. This skirt is super fun and poofy, and this outfit has more of that classic fit and flare silhouette where the top is tight and then it flares out into this big skirt. So this is definitely more of a girlier look. So for those of you that have more of a feminine style, I think this is an outfit that could really work for you because the silhouette is very feminine, but the color combination is kind of more on the edgy side and on the modern side. And I chose this skirt specifically because it does have these fun pops of yellow. It's actually popcorn. It's popcorn and bliss, so it's really fun. So I figured the yellow kind of ties nicely into the top because there is some yellow in this neon color as well. And then I also chose this skirt because it is super voluminous, which I feel like goes well with the tighter top. Kept my shoes simple, went with these open back Luana heels again, and then I went with a yellow handbag once again to go with the yellow in the skirt and just keep this look really fun and feminine and flirty. Also did these white earrings as well just to add like an extra pop of glamour to this outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video on how to wear neon. I hope you found some of these outfit tips helpful. If you want to shop any of the looks I shared today, you can always shop them in the comment box below. I always link everything that is currently available. If you like what you saw, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and comment below what was your favorite look. And I look forward to seeing you guys again next time.